Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Tibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Haval H2 Premium 2-wheel drive. Stock reference number 4625. This shape runs from the 6-month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a GW4 G15B, 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. GW4 G15B, 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a light scratch on the indicator lens. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage, apart from one small dent. Right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.